Isa sa mga top prospect na inabangan ngayon sa light middleweight division ay itong tinaguriang triggerman na si Wiljan Mindoro. May kasalukuyang malinis na kartada itong ating pambato, 5 panalo. Lahat nito ay tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng KO at isang tabla. May taglay din ito na 100% knockout power ratio. Kaya hindi nakapagtataka na knockout talaga ang abutin sa mga kalaban niya dahil sa sobrang lakas ng mga kamao nito. Si Wiljan Mindoro ay may edad na 24 taong gulang na ngayon. Isa din ito sa kinasasabikan na mapanood ng mga Filipino boxing fans sapagkat kung nandoon na ito sa ibabaw ng luna ay siguradong madugong laban talaga ang ating masaksihan. Ngunit alam nyo ba mga idol na may isang boksingero na sobrang nagpahirap kay Wiljan Mindoro? Walang iba kundi itong Japanese boxer na sa mga angka ni Naoya Inoue na si Takeshi Inoue. Ngayon ay balikan natin ang laban ni Wiljan Mindoro kontra po sa Japanese boxer na si Takeshi Inoue na kung saan nahirapan talaga ang ating pambato sa laban. Sa hindi pa nagsisimula ang laban, si Takeshi Inoue ay may kartada sa panahon pong ito na 19 na panalo, 11 panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at 2 talo at may edad na ito na 34 taong gulang. Habang ang ating pambato sa panahon pong ito ay may malinis na kartada na 10 panalo at sa pamamagitan ng KO, walang talo at may edad pa lang ito na 23 taong gulang. Hindi talaga basta-basta itong si Takeshi Inoue sapagkat kasama ito palagi sa mga training ng The Monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue at tinuruan pa ito ni Naoya Inoue kung paano ang tamang diskarte sa kanilang laban. Sa round 1 pa lang ay napaka-agresibo na ng ating pambato. Agad niya itong umatake at nagpakawala ng malalakas na suntok.
Mindoro threw an uppercut that landed, and sometimes it can be up, and Takeshi Inoue is more defensive, comparing its power behind all of those punches that he's throwing. Yes, but it depends on your style, and I think a good straight. You know the similarities between Mindoro and you can cost the fight. Oh,
Get
good
stumbled.
overhand.
You were saying?
Yes, like I
Boy
said.
stumbled.
And that rocked in a way. And look, and the knockout artist sees that opportunity. He bounces on it.
With his jab to set up his straight, because that will all come together, including the uppercut like he did.
Pagdating ng round 3 ay natamaan ng malalakas na suntok ang Japanese boxer, pero sadyang matigas talaga ito at nanatiling nakatayo pa rin ito sa harap ni Mindoro.
Here we go.
15 seconds left. Can you put him away?
And he's throwing it wildly at that. Suddenly, this
Inoue is pretty strong to take these shots from Mindoro,
Yeah, that's a good point.
and when 2 losses on his record, the way that he lost was by decisions. He's been knocked out yet.
In that exchange, it can be very dangerous for Mindoro. Oh, the overhand that landed, because again, getting that distance, and this might be so far.
Yes, I agree.
And
Sometimes fighters love that.
Yeah, and again, you heard him in the early rounds, and then now he's coming in and yeah. But in this round, he's like, I taste it, like your analogy with the shark.
No, it on, the referee, you've been fighting mostly in the States.
Yes.
I don't you've seen that, huh?
It's slippery when it's wet, and it's horrible. It's a horrible feeling.
Did you see how he just Mindoro just kind of stuck his hand out there? And the problem with that is that he leaves that out.
I love watching the corner of Inoue. They're vociferous and loud. This is
Good
a,
uppercut, good
Yeah.
overhead.
This is a 50-50 fight for Mindoro now.
Well, I think Inoue is just pressing on now. Mindoro.
Oh, that's a
Mindoro-
good point. Like in this situation, 2 short blasts straight.
Right in there with Mindoro. And the thing is, with Mindoro being such a long for Mindoro to get punches off
When he's moving around laterally, Mindoro is actually reaching in easily to be countered. But when they are in that, Inoue really has the bigger advantage.
You know, Mindoro has not hurt Inoue yet. It's like a wrestling match. Such a tough customer in Takeshi Inoue.
And he's actually hurting Mindoro in this round with
Exactly.
overhands. But
exactly where Inoue wants to be again.
Yes.
Coming in, being able to uppercut.
You were saying? You were
Oh,
saying?
now-
And Mindoro with a good Inoue, forcing Mindoro to get tied up. And he's hurt. Now he has hurt Inoue.
both guys are tough.
Yes.
And the thing about powerful combination,
These are the middleweights, you know. The blood just oozes out.
Inoue hit
with
left
the hook
hand.
and overhand. Press overhand again from
He does
Inoue.
not want this fight to go longer due to if it stops on a
Up on their feet.
Mindoro's mouthpiece had come out.
Ooh,
Overhand.
Mindoro gets tagged.
Pagdating ng round 9 ay dito na nga unti-unting naubusan ng hangin si Wiljan Mindoro sapagkat hindi ito sanay sa mahabang laban.
Hey,
Mindoro needs to stick that jab out.
you almost got hit with that again.
Stiff jab, not a pawing one.
It'll be in the scorecards.
But Inoue is stepping back a little bit. And now he presses again and again. Another of that jab, which is not affecting Inoue.
It takes a moment.
Both,
Yes, go ahead, please.
no, both fighters exchanging overhand rights. While I do agree with you with an uppercut could be there, I also believe the other side, he's not throwing, I would love to see.
Decisive and hurt Mindoro just a little more at this juncture.
Power are not as dangerous as it was earlier.
But Inoue is not even looking.
Last bell, the announcement, final round will probably. Yes, he's not knocking and nailing. You know, with time and again, he's straight attacks.
This is why he's pushing the weight right
Yes,
now.
he is.
Good
Oh,
uppercut
yes,
by
sir.
Inoue.
Pagdating ng round 12
Mindoro coming back
ay baka
with
sa
his
mukha ni Mindoro ang sumurang pagod nito sa laban at ang resulta sa kanyang laban ay tabla na nga ito.
Another overhand by Inoue.
And that's where he's going to. All
Matapos ang laban na yon ay tila ba naturuan ng leksyon ang ating pambato at sinapagan pa ang mga pagtitraining nito. Kaya naman nakapagtalaan na ito ng 3 sunod-sunod na impresibong panalo. Lahat nito ay tinapas na niya sa pamamagitan ng KO. Kaya kabag-abang talaga ang batang boksingero na ito